Imagine waking up on a seemingly ordinary day, only to witness nature unleash its most terrifying force. This is exactly what happened on May 18, 1980, when Mount St. Helens, a majestic volcano in Washington state, erupted with a power that stunned the world. What was once a tranquil, snow-capped peak became the epicenter of one of the most catastrophic volcanic events in modern history. The eruption not only reshaped the landscape but also left a lasting impact on those who lived through it and the world at large. In the early hours of May 18, 1980, a scene of unparalleled natural destruction unfolded in Washington state, USA. Mount St. Helens, a beautiful yet volatile volcano, awoke from its slumber in a catastrophic eruption that would forever change the landscape and the lives of those who witnessed it. This event is remembered not only for its sheer power but also for the warning signs that many didn't fully grasp until it was too late. Mount St. Helens had been a picturesque part of the Cascade Range, its snow-capped peak standing proudly amidst dense forests. However, beneath its serene exterior, the volcano was stirring. In March 1980, a series of small earthquakes began to shake the region, a sign that magma was rising beneath the mountain. Scientists and locals grew concerned, but the true scale of the impending disaster was beyond imagination. As the weeks passed, the earthquakes became more frequent, and by April, a visible bulge had formed on the north side of the mountain. This bulge was an ominous signal that pressure was building within the volcano, pushing the land outward as if the mountain itself was swelling with anger. Despite these signs, few could predict the catastrophic event that was about to occur. At 8:32 a.m. on May 18th, the earth beneath Mount St. Helens shook with a magnitude 5.1 earthquake. This was the trigger the volcano had been waiting for. In an instant, the north face of the mountain collapsed in the largest landslide ever recorded. This landslide released the pent-up pressure, resulting in a violent lateral blast that sent a column of ash, gas, and rock soaring 15 miles into the sky. The force of the blast was unimaginable. It flattened everything in its path within a 230 square mile radius. Trees were uprooted, and the once lush landscape was reduced to a barren wasteland. The blast was so powerful that it traveled at speeds of up to 300 miles per hour, obliterating everything in its way and causing devastation as far as 19 miles away from the volcano. But the destruction didn't end there. The eruption melted the snow and ice atop the mountain, sending massive mudflows, known as lahars, racing down the slopes. These lahars buried rivers, swept away bridges, and destroyed homes in their path. Ash from the eruption darkened the skies, turning day into night across much of the Pacific Northwest. The ash cloud eventually circled the globe, a stark reminder of the event's global impact. The eruption claimed the lives of 57 people, many of whom were caught by surprise despite the warnings. Among them was David A. Johnston, a volcanologist who had been monitoring the mountain. Johnston's last words, "Vancouver, Vancouver, this is it," captured the moment the eruption began, a haunting testament to the danger he had predicted but could not escape. In the aftermath of the eruption, the landscape around Mount St. Helens was unrecognizable. The once symmetrical peak was now a horseshoe-shaped crater, its beauty marred by the force of nature. The surrounding area, once rich with life, was a desolate expanse of ash and debris. Yet, amidst the devastation, the eruption also provided invaluable lessons about volcanic activity and the power of nature.